How's everyone doing today? In this video, we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best space heaters on the market right now. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an affordable option that delivers plenty of value and solid heating power, or a high-end gas model that can reliably heat larger rooms or garages, we'll have the best space heater for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the space heaters we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a space heater that gives an impressive price-to-performance ratio, the $70 Vornado MVH Vortex is an affordable option that provides solid heating capabilities and several worthwhile features and safety functions. It has a compact frame made from durable plastic and a long-lasting mesh grille that remains cool to the touch at higher settings. It's relatively lightweight at around 4 pounds, and the integrated handle allows for easy adjustments. I like that it has several built-in safety features, including tip-over protection and an automatic shutoff system, so you can heat your space worry-free. It utilizes a circular resistance coil, a 3-blade fan, and Vortex technology for an evenly distributed heat output, and it has 3 settings to meet your heating requirements. It also has an integrated thermostat with 7 temperature options that provide personalized comfort, and while some other options heat particularly cold spaces faster, it can still deliver heat relatively quickly. It runs quieter than many competitors, and it only emits a soft, fan-like hum, even at the highest setting. You get a solid range considering the price, and the heater can reliably spread warm air to a maximum of 180 square feet, which is suitable for small and medium-sized spaces. Unfortunately, it's best used on the floor, so it might be prone to collecting dust, but you can easily clean the filter with the brush attachment for a vacuum cleaner. I also like that it's built to meet US voltage requirements, so it's relatively power efficient. The MVH Vortex gives you an impressive feature set considering the low price. It operates quietly, so it should suit a range of users, and it's power efficient, so it won't skyrocket your energy bill. I would recommend this for anyone who needs to heat a smaller space. For anyone who wants the best oil space heater for their home, the $115 Honeywell Energy Smart Electric delivers an impressive heat output without consuming too much electricity. You get an ergonomic handle and casters for easy maneuverability, a range of useful safety features, and a programmable timer. It's made from a plastic casing with a glossy finish that remains cool to the touch. Unfortunately, it's rather heavy at around 17 pounds, and the cord is relatively short, but it has an integrated luggage-style handle and easy glide wheels, so you can easily move it around for precision heating. It utilizes ceramic technology that delivers warm air across small to medium-sized rooms with a 180 or 360-degree heat output, and while it can be somewhat loud at higher settings, it can heat rooms with impressive speed compared to other oil-based heaters. It uses oil to run, which doesn't need to be replaced, and increases its energy efficiency over time, and it has a useful Energy Smart mode that steadily outputs a pre-specified temperature to keep your energy bill reasonable. You get several useful built-in safety features, including a 360-degree tip-over prevention switch, protection against overheating, reinforced wire connections, and thermal insulating wiring for worry-free operation. You get easy-to-use digital controls with 3 versatile heat settings depending on your needs, a programmable thermostat with a hold function to maintain your preferred temperature, and an auto-off timer with 1 to 12-hour increments. I also like that it automatically chooses the best heat setting to deliver optimal heating performance based on your space, and it has an indicator that displays the current temperature and energy usage rates for more accurate tracking. The Smart Electric is an impressive option that's perfect for small to medium-sized rooms. The oil allows it to perform well long-term without impacting your power bill. Infrared heaters are an efficient way to heat your space, and the $120 Dr. Infrared heater offers a convenient way to warm larger rooms. It has an easily removable filter for intuitive maintenance, a programmable thermostat with several temperature settings, and whisper-quiet operation. It has a relatively bulky build at around 25 pounds, and it has an impressive heat output that's suitable for larger rooms or basements up to 1,000 square feet. You get numerous features to keep it operating safely, including protection against overheating, tip-over prevention, and it automatically shuts off if the inlet air duct is obstructed. I like that it comes with a useful IR remote control, so you can easily make temperature adjustments, but it can only be turned on manually. It utilizes a dual heating system that combines an infrared quartz tube with convection heat to evenly warm larger spaces, and it uses almost 100% of the heat generated for a more efficient energy transfer. It's relatively simple to maintain, and it comes equipped with a removable filter that's easy to clean or replace. It has 3 power modes that use different amounts of energy, including a high mode for larger rooms, a low mode, and an energy-efficient eco mode to maintain your preferred temperature. You also get an adjustable thermostat that can be set between 50 and 85 degrees, which makes it easy to find an optimal temperature. I like that you get a programmable timer up to 12 hours that automatically shuts off after a pre-specified period. It has impressive heating performance and can quickly heat bigger areas to your liking, and the 7-inch blower moves large volumes of air at a whisper-quiet 39 decibels. I think the Dr. Infrared differentiates itself from other infrared heaters with high-end heating performance. It utilizes powerful technology that can output an impressive amount of heat, and the programmable timer allows you to have personalized control over your temperature. Now, for anyone who wants the best space heater with a panel design, the DeLonghi Mica Thermic Panel Heater costs about $125 and offers a quick and efficient solution for your heating needs. It has a compact, low-profile panel design that can be placed almost anywhere without sticking out, and its 15-pound frame is lightweight enough to be mounted on a wall, but the thin front grille is relatively prone to denting. You get a convenient carry handle and smooth gliding casters that allow you to move it between rooms with ease, along with a 72-inch power cord. It utilizes Mica Thermic technology that delivers quick and energy-efficient heating for medium-sized rooms up to 300 square feet, but it's a bit slow to heat up larger rooms. I like that it doesn't incorporate a fan or other noise-producing components, so it's an excellent option for bedrooms or TV rooms. It also comes with a range of security features to prevent fires for worry-free use, including a thermal shutoff that deactivates the heater when it begins to overheat, an internal tip-over switch, and an array of easy-to-see indicator lights. It has an adjustable thermostat with several settings that produce up to 1,500 watts of heating power, and it automatically alternates between high and low power settings to maintain your preferred temperature. You also get a useful timer function that allows you to program how long it operates. I think the frost prevention mode adds a lot of utility, and it automatically maintains a room temperature of around 41 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for avid travelers who want energy-efficient heating. The DeLonghi is a high-end space heater with a compact panel design, so it's perfect for almost anywhere. You get impressive heating performance that sets it apart from the competition and convenient technology that consistently delivers an optimal temperature. If you're looking for the best gas space heater, the Mr. Heater Blue Flame natural gas heater is relatively expensive at $195, but you get top-end heating power without skyrocketing your energy bill. It comes with a CSA certification that guarantees safe performance, a low fuel consumption rate, and 6 heating settings for comprehensive control. It runs on natural gasoline, which is ideal for use during power outages and won't significantly increase your energy bill. I also like that you can place it almost anywhere, and it conveniently comes with a bracket for wall mounting and legs for floor-level usage depending on your preference. Unfortunately, there can occasionally be a slight smell of fumes during operation, so it's best used in well-ventilated areas, but it has a built-in oxygen sensor that automatically deactivates the unit if oxygen drops below a certain level for added safety. It utilizes a robust convection heating and a blue flame burner with 1,500 watts of power and 30,000 BTUs to consistently warm the air in larger rooms up to 1,000 square feet. It comes with a CSA certification to guarantee powerful, safe, and efficient performance, and it runs relatively quietly compared to competitors. I like that it has a convenient battery-operated electronic ignition feature that allows for an intuitive startup. You also get a built-in adjustable thermostat with 6 settings that give you a range between 60 and 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows for comprehensive personalized control over your space's temperature, but it's not suitable for bathrooms, bedrooms, recreational vehicles, or smaller rooms. I believe the Blue Flame is the best gas space heater on the market, and you get several useful features that appropriately heat your space. It can consistently and evenly heat larger rooms or garages while remaining energy efficient and safe to use. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.